Hello everyone, and welcome you to Constec Academy once again. This is where we stopped the other time. I want us to work on the total score. So now, before we work on the total score, I asked you to create these sheets, and I believe you have done it. English, Maths, depending on the subject that you do in the school, you have to create it all. I've done mine. This English, this Maths, this is Science, in that order. So you also do the same thing. So let's look at the total score. So equal to, and you go to English, and then English you go to the grade. You select it, you bring plus, okay, plus. Then you go to Maths, take your time, you select it, plus. You go to Science, plus. You go to Social, plus. You go to RME, you select this, plus. You go to Computing, plus. You go to Creative Art, plus. You go to Career Technology, plus. Career Technology, plus. Go to the next subject. The next subject is French. If you don't have French, you don't select it, plus. Then Ghanaian language, plus. Then P. If you are done, you just press equal to sign. You press the enter key rather. You press the enter key. Yeah. How many subjects? Let me go and check the subject. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So these are 11 subjects. Some schools don't offer P, so it depends on you. Okay. So if that is the case, I'll just do autofill. Okay, autofill. Then how do I calculate the position? In our previous lesson, I've sent you some codes. So I'm just going to copy that codes, that formula. I'm going to copy that formula. Okay, and do some corrections, some changes rather. So I'll just copy the whole of this, copy, and then I'll just come to my work. So I'll just come here and paste it. I'll paste it and press the enter key. Okay, sorry, I'm not supposed to paste it there. I'll undo it and move to the last end. This here. I'll paste it here. I'll press the enter key. Okay, I'll go to the top. I'll undo it again, I think. I'll do the changes myself. I don't know why it's behaving like this. So I'll expand it. Okay, I got it right. I'll undo it again. Then I'll go to the formula itself. I didn't copy it well. I was supposed to copy it from here. Okay. So I'll copy the whole of this, copy C, and come here and now paste it. So I'll paste what I've copied here, and then no, I'm supposed to paste it in the first one, so I'll just delete it and come to the first one and paste it there. Press the equal to sign. Now you will do some editing. So the choose the first value here is, you clean the whole of here and write K2, then you clean the whole of there, K2, okay, K2, you lock this one, coming, you clean the whole of here, or better still, you clean it here, then you select it from here to the last cell you are working on, okay. Then from there you just select the whole of this and you lock it, F4 to lock it, then press the enter key. That's all. Then we'll do autofill. The promotion, we'll look at it later. Let's come to the class teacher remark. Class teacher remark, we'll do the VLOOKUP. So you go to formulas, go to insert function, then you search for VLOOKUP. Our lookup value is the total score, and it will be found on the settings. The table array is on the settings. So this is settings. So you select the whole of this. After that, you just lock this. Lock it. Don't include the exclamation sign. Lock it. The first one is a class teacher. Class teacher. So the class teacher is number 2. So you just, after you select number 2, just click on OK. Then you do autofill. You can expand it, okay, so that it will accommodate those figures. Now let's go to the headmaster remarks. The same thing. So I'll just copy this formula. Copy this formula. Ctrl C and press this, and then I'll come here and paste it. From here I'll just change here to 2. The lookup value to be 3. The first one, the 1 is the score, the 2 is the class teacher's remark, and the 3 is the headmaster remark. So that's all. I'll do enter. I will expand the whole of the year. Okay. You can provide the tar details. Mr. Musa Saturday. Okay. Now we are done with this. So let's go to the master sheet. We'll do the same to the master sheet. So you come here, equal to sign, and you make reference to the database where you have the class score. Okay. So you select it and you press the enter key. Then you do autofill. You come to the class position, you do the same thing. Go to the database and make reference to the position. You autofill. We'll look at this. You come here, equal to sign. Go to the database. Look for this. Enter. We do autofill. We go to you do equal to sign. you go to the database and you make reference to the headmaster. Press the enter key. You go here, equal to sign. You go to the database and make reference to the parent name. Some of you will be thinking that why is all these things, all these details are important. Okay, equal to, and you go to the database and you make reference to the parent contact. You do autofill. The school name, you go to equal to sign. You go to the setting sheet. You scroll up. Then you select it and you lock it. F4 to lock it. You press the enter key. Then you autofill. The school logo, the same thing. You go to the setting sheet. You lock it. You do the same thing with the setting sheet. You lock it. Now, this is what you are going to do. We are going to do it for all of the subjects. So this is what to do. This English class score. So as I was saying, you come here. Okay, equal to sign, and you go to the English class score. So English. This is the English class score. This is the English class score. You select it. You press the enter key. Then you do autofill. Then you come here. Equal to. You go to the English exam score. English again. This time, not this one. This one. This one. The 50%. You select it. You press the enter key. Equal to sign. You go to the English and then this is the grand total. You select it. Equal to, you press the enter key. Now from here you can fill. You can fill it to remarks. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then after that you do autofill. You do autofill. Now you do the same thing. Equal to sign. Mass. Class score. You press the enter key. You go to equal to sign. You press the equal. You go to mass. Exam score. Then from there you can select the whole of this and go to remarks. Then you drag it to the bottom. Okay. You have seen what I've done. It will make work easier for you. So you do this. Let me do this. The third one for you again. Then you will do this for the rest. So social. You come here. The class score. Then you do autofill for it first. Then from there you come here. Equal to sign. Then you go to social exam score. This social exam score. Then you press the. Now from here you can select it up to where? To the remarks. and then you drag it down to where you are working on. That's good. I'm not working with this one, so I can delete it. Okay, but for you, you may be working with them, so so you have to do it. So science, you do everything, very important. You do it. Now if you finish doing it, you come here, academic here, you go to sign, and you go to the settings. You select this one and you lock it, and you press F4, then you press the enter key, then you do what? Autofill. The vacation date, you do the same, equal to sign. You go to the settings, you select it, you lock it, you press the enter key. Reopen it, you do the same thing. Go to settings sheet, you select it, you lock it. The term to do the same thing. The term, you lock it. Enter. Essentially, you got to sign. The settings, you come down. Select headmaster name, you lock it. The class teacher's name, you got to sign. So as I was saying, you look for the class teacher's own, then you lock it also, and press the enter key. After you're done, you lock your work, you save, and then that's all. We'll continue in our next lesson.